Hello everyone, my name is Angelica and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing great. And as we all know, the new year is coming, and after a very challenging 2020, we are all hoping for better new year. The year where we can just travel, everything will be back to normal, we will be able to see our family and friends, or simply just go to restaurant and enjoy the meal. Every year I struggle with finding perfect diary for myself. I'm this kind of person who likes to write everything down, plan ahead, make a note, and I know there is big choices of lovely diaries, but I think it's hard to find something what matches all of your needs. So I usually end up just buying the most simple and basic one. But not this year. I found the idea of bullet journals and I absolutely fell in love with them. I knew I have to do one for myself. I've seen so many inspiring girls on YouTube doing these bullet journals. I'll make sure I link them for you in the description box because I really appreciate their work. They all-day bullet journals are like a piece of art and they inspire me to create my own. So I'm not an expert in bullet journals. I just thought I would like to create one for myself, so I will show you what I end up with. Maybe some of you will get inspired and create their own, or maybe some parts of this video will be helpful for someone who is already in this topic. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this video because I had so much fun creating it, and just let's start it. So this is a notebook which I'm going to use. I also got two rules, one shorter and one longer. Eraser, as I like doing sketch with the pencil before I use the pen. Highlighter pen in nice pastel colors. I'm probably gonna use only these three first colors. Some fine pens. Tape to mark the pages. Stickers with the flowers for decorations. Correction tape for some small errors. Pencil and other pens. This notebook got this nice black leather look cover. I'm using A5 size with 128 pages. It's got this small pocket at the back, which I think all bullet journals got. Yeah, overall it's very good quality with nice thick paper. I know you should start your journal with the key section where you explain meaning of the signs you are going to use and all of the useful measurements, but I'm gonna skip this part as I think it won't be necessary for me. Instead, I start with writing 2021 and some motivation quote. I want to feel motivated every time I open my journal. I believe you can achieve a lot in your life by working hard but smart at the same time. And of course, spread your smile and kindness. And for my next pages, I'm going to write down all the days in 2021. I use ruler for simple calculations. I divide each page into 3 equal columns. One column for each month. On the top of each column, I write down the name of the month and then days from Monday till Sunday. I like to highlight Saturday and Sunday in different color. And that's when the first error appeared. There will be only 4 weeks in February, so I don't need so long lines for it. So January in 2021 starts on Friday, so that's where I start putting down all the numbers day by day. Then I'm writing down all the days in the column going down. Now it's time to fill the calendar with important days. For me, they are my friends and family birthdays, name days and holidays. Also, lots of other weird days which Polish people love to celebrate, and I would forget about them if I wouldn't write them down. After filling out all days from January to June, I'm moving to next page where I'll be continue with other 6 months of the year. For my next page, I've decided to write down all my goals for 2021 and life dreams. We say that the written word is more powerful. That's why I like to write everything down. I'm not going to make a massive list of my goals for 2021. I try to keep it simple and achievable. I don't want to put too much pressure on myself. I basically want to drink more. I've got such a big problem with drinking water at work. I usually just completely forgot about it. I also would like to continue with my Spanish lessons. Then I want to upload at least one video a week on YouTube. Finally start using my sewing machine, which at the moment just collecting the dust. And my every year resolution, reading more. Then I will write down all my life dreams at the moment, but this part I will keep for myself. If any of them will come true, I will let you know. Moving to the next page, I want to create a schedule for my YouTube videos. I try to upload video every Wednesday, so I write down all Wednesdays from year 2021. It's just to write some ideas for videos for the current season. So let's say I want to create some DIY gift ideas for Valentine's Day, so I have to plan how long before that will be the best time for me to release this video. I write them down with pencil as my ideas change quite often. This part is very excited and I hope 2021 will allow me to fill this whole section. So in here I will write all the things I've done in 2021 with the date and category. It can be some personal achievements or holidays, whatever you think it will be great to remember in a few years' time. Moving to the next page, I decided to dedicate 2 pages for my finances. I thought it would be nice to go through each month and see how much money I spent or how much I was able to save. I'm not going deeply into all my spendings, I just want to summarize each month and see what's the best I can do when it comes to savings. I create 12 equal boxes for each month. So before I start going deeply into January, I leave 2 spare empty pages, just in case I come up with some other ideas. Now it's time to start with the first month. I'm creating 35 equal squares on 2 pages. On the top of the first row, I'm writing the names of weekdays. And as I said before, January starts from Friday, so from that day till the end, I highlight each square with my orange marker. And the days which belong to other months, I highlight with blue one. And now I'm moving all the important days into this section as well. For each month, I decided to create like a small habit tracker. As I said before, I want to learn Spanish, so my first tracker is dedicated for this category. I create big square with 35 small squares inside. Each of these small squares belongs to one day in the month. So let's say if I spend some time learning Spanish on 4th of January, I will color the square corresponding to this day. Fun fact, Polish people love to complain, and unfortunately I'm not the exception. That's why I create this section in this journal. At the end of each day, I will write at least 2 things I'm grateful for that day. It will help me to find bright sides in every situation. I highly recommend doing it as I know it helps. Moving next, I will separate each week into 2 pages. I like to plan each day ahead and have clear view on my whole week. Then I just simply copy my first week on the next pages, only changing the number of the day. So let's summarize my bullet journal. To make it more colorful, I put some flower stickers on my front cover. Opening the journal, I stay motivated to act. Then I can have good view of upcoming month and important days. To these pages, I can come back from time to time to remind myself where I'm aiming with my life and what step I can make to get there. This part is for all exciting things which are going to happen in 2021. Then something for controlling my finances. Empty pages just in case of more ideas. And then finally start of the first month. Habit tracker to focus more on my needs and self-being. And then week by week till the next month, where I just copy the template of my first month. At the back, I've also left few pages for my DIY and YouTube videos ideas. I almost forgot about this clever idea. To be able to find the page I want much easier, I simply put some tape on the edge of that page, making sure it sticks out more than that page. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and this bullet journal. If you do, please click the like button, I would really appreciate it. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my content and you want to see more DIY projects. I literally can't wait for New Year, where I'll be able to start filling the journal up. I'm quite happy how it turned out. Maybe next time I will work a bit harder on the design, but there is everything what I need. All pages works perfectly for me, and that's what's the best about the bullet journals, that you can customize them whichever way you want. Everyone's got different lifestyle, different things are important for you. So for me, having all my ideas, plans and important days in one place is amazing. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to do one of them for yourself. I had so much fun creating it and I'm glad I did it. And for now, thank you so much for watching and your support, and I will see you in my next video.